Joker War destroyed Batman's fortune, leaving Green Arrow far richer than Bruce. But how will this influence their new roles with the Justice League? While Batman's incredible gadgets and tendency to plan ahead for every eventually have often invited the criticism that his real superpower is being rich, Bruce Wayne is officially no longer a billionaire, leading DC to confirm in Infinite Frontier number 0 that Green Arrow is now richer than the Dark Knight. But while the Emerald Archer might enjoy having a little more status to hold over Batman's head, this reveal could eventually herald a new era for Oliver Queen, especially in the context of his upcoming role in the Justice League. While this year will see the 80th birthday of the Green Arrow, the character has passed in and out of favor over the decades, with his most famous and beloved stint of comics emerging from Dennis O'Neil and Neil Adams' decision to pair the liberal Oliver Queen with the more conservative Green Lantern, creating plenty of character-driven moments that explored political and social themes while giving the Emerald Archer a unique voice and purpose in the DC Comics, one which has sadly been eroded in more modern interpretations. But that may all be about to change. Infinite Frontier number 0 sees Green Arrow and Black Canary discussing the lost memories that will be returning to them to Wonder Woman's effort to fix time in the DC Omniverse. This process, called unification, is part of DC's effort to merge all prior continuity into one ongoing canon by giving the characters memories of who they used to be, even if the actual events and their consequences didn't happen as restricted before. Black Canary expresses her irritation at all the cosmic junk. Oliver reminds her that thanks to the recent Joker War, which wiped out Bruce Wayne's hidden accounts as Batman, he is now richer than the Dark Knight and likely the richest street level hero in the world. But it's what happens next that makes this so interesting. Diana suggests leaving cosmic matters to the Justice League for a while Green Arrow replies, "Yeah, about that." Of course, fans already know that Oliver Queen will be joining the new Justice League roster, but by bringing attention to his newfound status, DC opens up the possibility that he may at least partly act as a group's financier. Traditionally, Batman and other well-off heroes have picked up the tab for some of the Justice League's vital expenses, and it may be that Green Arrow finds himself needed for his purpose at exactly the time he's old. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.